In this tutorial, I'll show you how to open YouTube on your Samsung Smart TV so you can enjoy your favorite videos and playlists on the big screen. Start by turning on your Samsung Smart TV and ensuring it's connected to the internet. Press the Home button on your remote to access the main menu. Navigate to the Apps section, usually located on the home screen or sidebar. Look for the YouTube icon. If it's already installed, simply click it to launch the app. If YouTube isn't installed, go to the Samsung App Store, search for YouTube, and select Install. Once installed, open the app and sign in with your Google account to access personalized content, subscriptions, and playlists. Alternatively, use your phone to cast YouTube videos to your TV via the Cast feature if your TV supports screen mirroring. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to this channel for more tips. Thanks for watching and enjoy YouTube on your Samsung Smart TV.